Mambo number 9, example number 9. Oh my goodness, we're waiting on this thing to catch up. So what do we do? What do I have in common here? Look what I got. I've got letters, 2 letters, X and Y. Oh my goodness, nothing's changed. You know what? I'm still going to use my AC chart. I'm still going to be able to factor this, and I'm still going to find success. What do I need to do? Do they have anything in common? No, nothing factors out. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go straight to my chart. I'm going to ask myself, what 2 numbers multiply to equal 12 but add to negative 13? What 2 numbers multiply to positive 12 but add to negative 13? Now remember, we said if the negative was right here, then both terms are negative. So let me go ahead and write that real quick while I can waste some more time. Woo! What do I do? 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Now, here's the key. These add up to 13, but I need a negative 13. So you know what that means? That means I got to put 2 negatives there. Now I got it. What am I going to do with these 2 numbers? Again, just like we did with all the other examples, I'm going to rewrite the B term. And how am I going to do that? Simple. I'm going to go ahead and write this as x squared if you don't mind. Better yet, let me change it. Well, let me do this. Negative 1xy, negative 12xy. That's still negative 13xy. And at the very end, plus 4yy. What's my next step? Just like we've been doing, what can I factor out from the first 2? What can I factor out from the second 2? The only thing I see in common is a letter. So that's x. That comes outside. What's left over? You can write the 1. Let's go ahead and write the 1. I'm going to go ahead and write the 1. 3x minus 1y. And if I do this right and take out the biggest factor here, I should see this common factor show up again. Because this is negative, I'm going to take out a negative. In fact, I'm going to take out a negative 4 and a y because they both have a y in common and they both have a 4 in common. And when I do that, look what's left over. Yes, a negative goes into a positive negative. Quick mental check. Yes, I've got my common factor here. What's my last step? Take the common factor. That becomes one of your factors in your answer, and what's on the outside becomes the other factor. And that, my friends, is how you work with 2 variables factoring.